Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best power inverters for truckers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, so let's dive straight into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Bestech 300-watt power inverter. Bestech is one of the most trusted names in the inverter world, and their 300-watt model is perfect for those looking for an affordable yet reliable option. This compact device offers 300 watts of continuous power and up to 700 watts of peak power, making it ideal for charging laptops, tablets, and even small appliances during your trucking trips. It comes with 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. The design is ultra-compact, roughly the size of a smartphone, which makes it incredibly portable. Despite its small size, it's built tough with a durable metal housing that provides excellent protection from bumps and drops. The built-in 40-amp fuse and multi-protection system guard against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits, giving you peace of mind while using it. While it's a budget-friendly choice, it does have some limitations. The 300-watt power output won't handle larger appliances like microwaves or refrigerators. But for light-duty use, it's a fantastic option. It's also very quiet thanks to its smart cooling fan system. If you're a trucker looking for a simple, low-cost inverter to charge your gadgets, this one's for you. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option, but it's best suited for light-duty use cases. At number 4, we have the ePanny 400-watt power inverter, a step up from the Bestech in terms of power and functionality. This inverter provides 400 watts of continuous power and 800 watts of peak power, making it capable of handling slightly larger devices. It's equipped with 2 110-volt AC outlets, 1 USB-C port with 65 watts PD fast charging, and 1 USB-A QC 18-watt port. This combination makes it ideal for fast charging your phone, laptop, or even powering small appliances like an air compressor. The design of the ePanny inverter is sleek and compact, featuring an efficient cooling system with a low-noise fan that adjusts its speed based on the temperature and power load. The built-in safety features, including overvoltage and short-circuit protection, are robust, ensuring safe and stable operation. It also boasts a lightweight build at just 14.1 ounces, making it highly portable for truckers on the go. However, while it excels in portability and charging speed, its 400-watt output still limits its use to smaller devices. It's a fantastic choice for truckers who need fast charging options for modern electronics like smartphones and laptops, but it may not be sufficient for larger appliances. Overall, it's a well-rounded inverter with great safety features and charging capabilities, making it a strong contender for those on a tighter budget. Coming in at number 3 is the ProChaser 400-watt power inverter. This inverter provides steady 400-watt power with a peak of 800 watts, much like the ePanny, but it distinguishes itself with its dual USB ports, 3.1A each, and dual AC outlets. It's designed to handle everyday devices like laptops, tablets, and small appliances, making it perfect for road trips or long hauls. One of the standout features of the ProChaser is its build quality and portability. The cell phone-sized unit is compact and lightweight, with a 30-inch cord that provides flexibility in placement. The durable casing and built-in safety features, including overload and over-temperature protection, ensure reliable operation. Add to that the smart cooling fan, which automatically adjusts its speed, and you've got a unit that stays cool and quiet even during extended use. While it's a bit pricier than the Bestech and ePanny models, the ProChaser offers better overall build quality and a more user-friendly design. However, it's still limited to 400-watt power output, so it's best suited for light to medium-duty use. If you're looking for an inverter that balances functionality, portability, and safety, the ProChaser is a great mid-range option. Taking the number 2 spot is the TopBull 3000-watt power inverter. This powerhouse provides 3,000 watts of continuous power and a whopping 6,000 watts of peak power, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. It features 2 AC outlets and a fast-charging USB port, so you can power everything from laptops and TVs to microwaves and refrigerators while on the road. The top bowl inverter stands out with its high-definition LED screen that displays real-time voltage, power usage, and error codes. The aviation-grade aluminum alloy shell makes it incredibly durable, capable of withstanding harsh environments and impacts. Its dual intelligent cooling fans operate quietly and efficiently, keeping the unit cool even under high loads. Safety is another highlight, with 6 layers of protection against overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. The only downside here is the price. It's significantly more expensive than the lower-ranked options. However, if you're a trucker needing serious power for larger appliances or multiple devices, the top bowl inverter is a fantastic choice. It delivers incredible performance, durability, and safety, making it worth the investment for heavy-duty applications. Finally, at number 1, we have the PowerDrive PWD3000P 3000-watt power inverter. This is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. With 3,000 watts of continuous power and advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, this inverter is a game-changer for truckers who demand top-tier performance. It offers 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, standard and USB-C, and a detachable LCD screen for remote monitoring and control via the PowerDrive Plus app. The build quality is exceptional, with a rugged design that includes heavy-duty cables and mounting brackets for easy installation. The digital display shows battery voltage, power usage, and error codes, while the high-speed cooling fans ensure optimal performance under heavy loads. The Bluetooth feature is a standout. It allows you to control and monitor the inverter from your smartphone, adding a layer of convenience and modern functionality. The main drawback here is the price. At $227.56, it's the most expensive option on our list. But for truckers who need reliable, high-capacity power for demanding devices, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for the best of the best with advanced features and unmatched performance, the PowerDrive PWD3000P is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations, and I'll see you in the next video.